Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your screen rotation not working on BIGME HiBreak Pro. Let's begin. We can simply start with, well, maybe waking up our device and then expanding our control center. As you can see, we have a screen rotation in the top right corner. Now, if you don't see that screen rotation, I would simply advise you to click the pencil icon and add screen rotation to the menu. After it's added, you want to make sure that it's enabled. As you can see currently, it is disabled, meaning that our screen rotation will not work. We can test that on, for example, photos. As you can see, if I try to rotate our device, nothing happens. However, if I would now go and enable screen rotation, we can see that it's already working. And screen rotation is... okay, let me simply hide the control center so I can show you the... oh, this device is funny. I'm kind of froze now, which is unfortunate, but yeah. Okay, so now we want to go to photos, and now I can, as you can see, I can rotate anything I want. That's pretty cool. Of course, you do want to make sure that your application supports both portrait mode and landscape mode, otherwise you won't be able to switch between the two. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.